our bill addresses this in a number of key ways. One, it gives the Gardaí the power to seize and to destroy. It increases a fine of up to €5,000 for those who supply scramblers to underage children. It requires the Minister for Transport also to introduce a national register so that every scrambler that's bought must be registered, and if it's found unregistered then it's seized and destroyed or a fine issued. And it also makes it an offence to ride a scrambler or a quad bike in an antisocial or dangerous way on public roads or in public parks and open spaces, and that's what the people want.
This issue is having a real life-threatening impact in my community and in communities right across the country. We're really desperate to see some sort of action that will stop this problem. I'm delighted to see the Fianna Fáil bill being brought forward because it tackles the problem from a number of different aspects, and it's far more legally sound than previous attempts. What we need now are other parties and the government to come on board and to deliver a result for people who are crying out for action.